The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Dispenser delivers consistently chewy nugget ice and chilled water in one compact countertop unit, making it ideal for daily drinks and entertaining guests. Its fully touch-free dispensing design keeps ice and water service more hygienic and eliminates the hassle of scoops, spills, and handling the ice bin. The colorful front panel clearly shows water quality and operating status at a glance, so you always know what the machine is doing without digging into menus. Built-in app and voice control let you start or pause ice production remotely, which is especially useful for preparing ice before gatherings or managing it while you are away. The automatic cleaning cycle and removable water tank make routine maintenance straightforward, helping prevent buildup and keeping the ice tasting fresh over time. Measured water dispensing and gentle automatic lighting give you precise pours and easy visibility at night, adding a surprisingly premium feel to an everyday kitchen task.